Everyone, today we're going to be replacing the 2015 Chevy Tahoe battery. My truck would not start today, so I decided to go to the dealership and get a battery. Cost me $246. And when I take the old one back, I get the $15 core charge. So what I did, pop this up. I believe that's a number 10. Yep, that's a 10. Take this off, and you go to the back here. The negative is also a 10. Push it off to the side. What do you have to do to get a battery out is that you gotta lose this brace out. This bolt right here, I think that's a number 13. There's a 13. So you want to get that one. You want to get this one right here. Go to the other side, back here, right below the window. Get a 13 there too. And all the way inside. Let me see if I can get a shot of it. So there's another brace that goes down here. This brace goes down all the way to the bottom, to the battery stand. And that bolt is right in the bottom here too. That's a number 13 also. You want to take that one out. Then this whole piece come out in a T. Push that off to the side. Push everything over to the side. This is all one piece right here. This all stay together. Push it off to the side. Now, the battery is a little challenge to get out because it's such a big battery. There's a battery clamp that you want to lose is right in this. Let me just move it back here so you can see that. Right into the bottom here. There's another bolt right here. It's also 13. It hold the battery in place to the battery stand. So you got to take that out too. And you just turn the battery sideways and try to be careful not to rupture the tank when you're taking it out. And that's about it. To get the battery out, you have to take this bracket. You have to take this brace out. We don't have to take this one out. You can lose it from the bottom. Lose it from the bottom. You get the whole T out in one piece. And you just push it off to the side, and that's to replace the any GM truck battery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.